XRP set to skyrocket. Hey everybody, Will Fix here. Got another video for you today. Still a little under the weather, so I'm just chilling at the house. Felt like it would be better to be outside, living out here. By the way, the last video when I mentioned I lived in McDonald, Tennessee, one of the subscribers hit me up and he lives on the street behind my house. We're gonna hook up next week. So isn't that kind of cool? You know, he previously didn't know, where I lived, of course. And so to be that close is kind of neat. So it'd be fun to meet him. And I always wanted a place where I could just shoot a gun if I wanted to. And oftentimes right off this porch right here, I got a bunch of pistols and rifles and shotguns, and I'll shoot my 44 or 357 or 45 pistol just right off the thing, or several different rifles that I got just right off the porch there. People come over, sometimes we'll just shoot. I got a couple metal targets, steel targets that you shoot. When you hit it, it'll spin around, and I got them down in the woods there, so you can tell when you hit it, you can hear it, and you can see it. That's kind of fun. It's kind of neat to be able to do that. I'm glad that we live in the USA, and there's still places where we can live like this, where if I hear a gunshot, doesn't mean somebody's being robbed. It's just somebody doing their thing, but everybody leaves everybody alone around here, and but everybody loves each other. And it's a pretty cool atmosphere to live out in the country. Well, hasn't the market's been fun lately? Watching everything go up, we get a sign of a rate cut and suddenly money comes in. And, it's funny how that works, isn't it? Don't you just think, was everybody waiting? How does the rate cut make everybody suddenly want to buy? You ever wonder about that? Just whales? Is it people borrowing money? Why does the money come back in the market like that? But it does work that way. They control the money with the interest rates, and they can pretty much turn that faucet on or turn that faucet off. So even though it's fun to see, it's also kind of disappointing. I want to see XRP soar on its own merits, since it has so much utility and so many things in play. I want it to go up just because, not because of an interest rate cut, but I'm not going to complain, Let's take a look at a couple things, couple prices of a few things, then we'll get into our content. Well, XRP's been doing fantastic. Look at us here. 62 cents. We wouldn't have thought of it. We thought it was stuck at 50 cents. But here we go, 62 cents. Let's take a look at another one. Let's go to CTF instead. It was right there ready. Yeah, $1.23. It goes up anymore. We had a spike up to 125, looks like. You guys know what I'm going to do. I'm going to roll that thing over, cash that out. I made about $400 on my last trade, and it's about doubled the money I had in it. And so I'm hoping to get at least a 30-40% increase this time. So we'll just keep watching it. Now, I like the volatility. See that chart? Look at that. You can make money with that volatility. People want to cry about the coin. They want to try to warn everybody and do all kinds of stuff. Okay, go warn somebody else. I'm okay with it. Hey, here we are, Quant at $71.76. I like what we're seeing there. Look at that. So that wasn't a bad idea to buy back here in the 50s, was it? Look at that. We've just, let's see. I bought it over here at 58. Man. Anyway, $71. I'll take some of that. Isn't it fun to see these prices finally go up some? With yesterday's video, and I was suggesting the link in the subscription, Caleb and Brown for a brokerage company. Some people, they get so twisted, man. And I get comments, when you read the when you do a show and you start reading your comments, there's some people that are just so bent out of shape if you suggest something, because they think everything's related to clicks and money, and it's all clickbait, and now it's all commercials, and now it's all this and it's all that. Whatever, okay? Whatever. This channel started with me sending one video to a friend of mine, and this was my family channel where I did family videos. I just stored Thanksgiving videos and videos on my rental property upgrades and things. And you know, it wasn't I didn't think it was a public channel. I just thought that to have a channel gave me more time on videos. So I sent a video to a friend. Well, it accidentally went viral. That's how my channel got started. So in my opinion, that's as legit as you can possibly get. It was an accident. So I talk about crypto and I have a good time with it. And God's blessed me. I have a nice place. You know, I've always been doing well with investments. So I'm happy to have a channel and I'm having a good time. But anyway, after I mentioned that, they're like, well, what's your favorite strategy? That's my friend. My favorite strategy that I'm going to use is I'm going to do a collateralized loan against my cryptocurrency, and because a loan is tax-free. It's a loan. When I get that loan, I will pay the loan off with the cryptocurrency. You know, so I'll be, my own tax advice to me, I'll be without taxes in that scenario. But you guys can do whatever you want. Now, I've got an article that I thought we would read today and cover, so let's go ahead and get to that. So the article reads, breakout alert, XRP set to skyrocket, eyes 75 cents level. XRP price, Ripple's native token, XRP has formed a bullish inverted head and shoulder price action pattern. XRP could surge by 15% to reach the strong resistance level of 75 cents if it chooses a daily candle above the 65 cent level, which I believe we reached up and touched that. We may have touched 65 today. I know I saw it at 63 for sure, but I believe I saw a little wick on a candle that reached up there and touched it a little bit. But XRP's open interest has skyrocketed by 12%, indicating a growing interest from investors and traders. Ripple's native token XRP has formed a bullish inverted head and shoulders price action pattern. This bullish outlook for XRP is gaining significant attention from the crypto community. It is for us because we're reading it now, right? However, this perspective emerged after a month of continuous struggles and the recent victory against the United States Securities Exchange Commission. So the XRP prediction in this article. According to expert technical analysis, XRP looks bullish as it's trading above the 200-day exponential moving average, the EMA, on a daily time frame. The asset's price above the 200 EMA hints that it's in an uptrend. In addition to XRP's uptrend, it has also formed an inverted head and shoulder price action pattern. Based on historical price momentum, if XRP gives a breakout of this price action pattern and closes a daily candle above the 65 cent level, there is a high possibility it could surge by 15% to reach a strong resistance level of 75 cents. I love to hear it. Source is TradingView is where this came from. Love that platform, by the way. The 75 cent level will act as a strong resistance level, as XRP has reached this level 3 times since 2023, each time facing significant selling pressure. Yes, however, a significant rally could follow if XRP manages to break through this level. Hey, let's all agree not to sell at 75. All you whales out there, I know you don't watch my show, but don't sell. Just stop selling. XRP's rising open interest Following the bullish price action pattern, XRP's open interest has skyrocketed by 12%, and it's been gradually increasing according to the on-chain analytic firm CoinGlass. This indicates a growing interest from investors and traders as XRP approaches the breakout level. At press time, I can't see, am I still in the picture? Okay, there we go. At press time, it is trading at nearly 63 cents and has experienced a price surge of over 5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, its trading volume increased by 30% during the same period, indicating higher participation from traders. Major liquidation levels in XRP. As of now, the major liquidation levels are near the 59.6 on the lower side and 65 cents on the upper side, as traders have over-leveraged in the last 24 hours according to CoinGlass data. If the market sentiment remains the same and the price rises to 65 cents, nearly 11.81 million worth of short positions will be liquidated. Conversely, if the sentiment shifts and the price falls to the 59 cent level, nearly 22.9 million worth of long positions will be liquidated. This shows bulls are back in action, and there's a high possibility that XRP could experience a breakout and reach the 75 cent level. So that's kind of cool. That puts it on the map for us to watch, particularly the inverse head and shoulders pattern. That's a powerful pattern in trading. Again, that's trapping ourselves within the idea of just retail, not utility, but it still has a play. It still has a play. Charts do have percentages that they're right, and the head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders has a high probability. An inverse head and shoulders has a very high probability of being bullish as a chart pattern, because it's a record really of investors and emotion, and so pretty typical for people to act the same way the same time. Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Pick you up yourself a decent wallet. If you need a broker, use Caleb and Brown, and all the other links that I got in there for you to use. Just a plethora of enjoyment for you. So have a good time with them, and I'll see you next video.